What's up, guys? Just wanted to post a quick update on the 2018 Jeep JL Sport. It's been about a year since I posted an update video, and there's been a few changes going on if you've seen any of my videos from before. Just want to do a quick update on some minor issues. The Jeep now has over 20,000 miles. 20,403. And really it's been mostly trouble-free. But I do want to point out, I do have an appointment with the dealer here. I've got an issue where my rear window defroster no longer works. And it was quite easy to figure out why. So get that to focus there. Focus. There we go. There we go. This wire came disconnected from the surface in the glass here. It appears to use some sort of conductive epoxy or something, but that popped off. So I have a service appointment for next week to get that fixed. I also have an appointment to get the V41 steering damper recall done, and oil change and tire rotation. This will be my fourth oil change that the dealer has done, and then after that I'll be doing them all myself, considering they continuously put 6 quarts of oil in there. So if you're wondering where I've been, it's been quite a busy summer. Been doing a lot of Jeep trips. I'll include some photos of that. We've been to over 14,000 feet to the top of Mount Evans. We've been to the top of Trail Ridge Road. That's over 12,000 feet. Trip to Ouray, Colorado. A couple trips, really. Actually about 3 if you think about it. I can include some pictures of all those trips in here. And yeah, I just wanted to give a quick update on where I've been. I'm going to go through, do some more product updates, some things to look forward to. I've got, this is really cool, I'm pretty excited about this new air mattress. I'm going to do a full review on this pretty soon here and post a video. You can also see I've got some lights, bumper, winch, some other little things that I'll go over. But just wanted to give a quick update and let everybody know that I'm going to post some more videos here soon.